What's up, everybody? It's your boy T-Ray Retros, and today I'm finna play Dead Space. But first, I'm finna show you how to get rid of the little camera glitch where it be moving around. So first, you just go to run whichever one you gonna run. Go to your Dead Space, create a shortcut. You just click on it. And this is the shortcut right here. You can't understand. It's Japanese or Chinese, one of them. We just create a shortcut. Let me go back. I already did it. Go to shortcuts. And you go to settings. Go down to advanced. And right here where it say direct input mapper type, it's gonna be on XPut. You change it to standards. And shout out to the person in the comments that's told me how to do it. Put the lights on.
It's me. I wish I could talk to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about everything. I wish I could just talk to someone. It's all falling apart here. I can't believe what's happening. It's strange. Such a little thing.
How many times you watched that thing? Guess you really miss her. Don't worry, we're almost there. You'll be able to look her up once we're on board. Sounds like you do have a lot of catching up to do.
All right, everyone, we're here. Sinking our orbit now.
All this trouble over that chunk of rock.
Deep space mining is a lucrative business, Miss Daniels. Each 7 is a gold mine according to prospectors' reports. Cobalt, silicon, osmium. Now, where is she? There she is. We have visual contact.
So that's Ishimura. Impressive.
The USG Ishimura. Biggest planet cracker in her class. And it looks like they already popped the cork.
Why is it all dark? I don't see any running lights.
Corporal, take us in closer and hail them. And stay clear of that debris field. We're here to fix their ship, not the other way around.
USG Ishimura, this is the emergency maintenance team of the USG Kellion responding to your distress call. Come in, Ishimura.
You're gonna need to boost the signal if it power's low.
Yes, we know. Boost the signal. More.
Never heard of a total communications blackout on one of these things. You'd think with 1,000 people on board, someone would pick up the phone.
Camera working
What is
good?
that?
It's a busted array like we thought. Sounds like they're having problems with their encoder. You get us down there and Isaac and I can fix it. 48 hours max.
All right, you heard the lady. Take us in. Let's see what needs fixing.
Gravity tethers engaged. Automatic docking procedures a go.
What the hell?
Sir, the auto dock.
What is it?
We're off track. We're gonna hit the hull.
Hit the blast shields. Thank God this tether's damaged. Switch to manual. Now.
Inside the magnetic field? Are you insane? Abort!
No! We can make it inside. Corporal, gave you an order.
Field's too strong.
Is everyone okay?
What? What the hell were you thinking? Were you trying to get us killed?
I just saved our asses, Miss Daniels. If we had aborted at that speed and distance, we'd have smashed right into the side of the Ishimura. Now settle down. Let's get to work. Corporal, report.
I'm not getting any readings from the port booster, and we've lost comms and autopilot. It'll take some time to fix.
All right. Let's get some extra hands from flight deck to help out.
Hold still, Isaac. I'm syncing up everyone's rig with the ship. Okay, we're done. Clean bill of health for everyone.
All right. We've still got a job to do. But moving out.
Camera working good?
Use run to move quickly. Welcome, CEC employee, to the USG Ishimura.
You didn't lose power to the port booster.
Ishimura.
You lost the port booster.
And is now the oldest service with 62 years of continuous service. It holds the record for highest number of planet cracks with 34 to date and highest refined product at 14 trillion kilotons and counting. Whether you'll be joining us aboard the Ishimura or
Guess the power's down everywhere. Isaac, get over here and hack the door pad.
would like to welcome you, and we hope your stay is a pleasant one.
Look for blue holograms to activate.
Powering humanity into the future.
Seems like everyone was trying to pack in a hurry.
There should be a security detail in here.
Yeah? Well, there's not. There's nobody here. I can't pick up any broadcasts.
But that security console's still live. Isaac, log in and see what you can find. Kendra, get that elevator back online.
Power's dead. I can't.
Then reroute the damn power! Look, if we all cooperate, we can figure this out a lot sooner. Let's get that computer display up, Isaac.
Use the locator system to find your next objective.
Huh. That doesn't look good. She's taken a lot of damage.
The tram system's offline. Getting around's gonna be difficult. The air seems to be flowing again. That's a start.
What the hell was that?
Automatic quarantine must have tripped when the filtration system restarted. Everybody relax.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Not sure.
The hell? I don't know. Something's in the room with us.
Jesus! Overfire! Overfire!
Come on.
Run. Run, boy, run.
Run, Isaac! Get the hell out of there!
Son of a bitch. I would have took one of his hands, used it as a weapon.
Shoot the limbs off enemies for extra damage. Use melee to knock back an enemy for a quick...
Okay, I got it. I had to change some buttons around. Alright. Headshot. Actually, I had to use my Left 4 Dead profile. Button, maps.
Select and use health packs to replenish your health bar.
Isaac! Isaac! God, I can't believe you made it.
Isaac, we ran into more of them on the way over here. Are you okay?
More what? What the hell are those things? Is that the crew?
Keep your voice down. Whatever they are, they're not friendly. Half the doors on this ship are locked because of the quarantine. Now we have to get to the bridge. But first, we gotta repair the tram system.
You're crazy, Hammond. You're gonna get us all killed.
If you listen to me, I will get you out of here alive. Now what's wrong with the tram?
The data board is fried, but there should be a spare in the maintenance bay. There's also a broken tram blocking the tunnel that needs to be repaired. Damn it, everything is on the other side of this quarantine. We can't reach it from here.
No, we can't. But you can. Isaac, if I can get to the bridge, I should be able to access the person.
What the other two dudes at?
You fix the tram, and I'll help you find Nicole.
Use the map screen to check objectives and important locations.
Isaac, be careful. Shooting them in the body didn't seem to work. Go for the limbs. Dismember them. That should do the job.
Conserve ammo by dismembering enemy limbs and doing extra damage. Stasis will slow down fast objects and enemies.
Damn it.
Looks like that door is malfunctioning, Isaac. Try using the stasis module you just picked up.
Alright, there we go. Shit.
Your stasis module should be able to help you with that arm mechanism.
Oh. What's up? Headshot. Get that. Get back. Get back. Get the fuck back. That one different. Get back. Oh, I'm out of bullets. Damn it.
Listen up, car 8 is trashed. We managed to get it back to the repair depot, but now the autoloader is fried. I need a stasis module brought down here now. If we don't get this piece of shit off the tracks, it's gonna jam up the whole system.
Cool, let's throw some bullets there. Motherfucker. Oh, fuck.
Retracing damaged tram car. Please stand by.
Isaac, you did it. The tram is blocking the whole system. When you get the computer online, you'll be able to call the tram from the control room. Faster the better. I can hear something crawling around out there.
Fuck. Oh, okay, I can slow them down too. Get back.
Replacement complete.
There better be some books. This game worse than Resident Evil. The old ones. I don't give you no books. There we go. I think I'm finna waste my book. Oh, what the fuck is that? Damn. All right, y'all, I died.